Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So this morning the kids are at school and nursery, so I thought I would bring you along this morning with me, see what I get up to. So first things first, we need to make a latte. We definitely need a latte in the morning before we get going. Go on Daisy, go to the car. Squirrel. Let's get little Noah in the car. Here you go. So the kids are in school and I've just brought myself to this nature reserve place. I would have shown this place a few times in past vlogs, but you might not remember it, so I will show you around. I just like to come here, just have a nice little walk, clear the mind, and just pass an hour here. So I will show you around. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. So this is called Pennington Flash where I am. So this is just like the lake area here. Sorry, you can see it, but it's a bit windy. So on a nice day, it just gets really busy here. Really busy on a weekend. So the ducks. Hi duck. Normally I would bring the kids here and just like feed the ducks and stuff. This is the lake. It's so relaxing here as well. Just so peaceful and nice. Just down there is a golf course. Anyone that likes golf can go and do that down there as well. So this is everything that is on the reserve, and they do have like little huts. So this is what you can see in the heights, what you're supposed to be able to see there. So yes, that's it. So there's always lots of dog walkers here. The lady over there with two. That is the cafe. That's pretty new, the cafe. It used to be like burger vans and ice cream vans, but that's the cafe that they now have. I don't know which way to go for this nature trail, so you can go this way, carry on, and then go right, but I think I might carry on. And then just along here is a park for kids. That is the park. Let me show you a bit more. This place gets jammed as well when it's a nice day. But this is a kids' park area. It's all up here. It's quite a big park, to be fair. It's a little further back. More dog walkers. Yeah, that's the park. So I decided to carry straight on and go up this nature trail instead. It is nothing but nature and trees, but when I get to one of those huts, I think there's one further along, I'll just quickly show you what's in there as well. Just all woods and nature. So I have found one hut just over here. So we'll have a look what you're supposed to see. See, there's always people walking around, walking the dogs. There's one coming up. So we're nosy. While the dog's going in the hut. Little doggy. Right, we've made it inside the hut. Not sure what we are supposed to be looking at or looking for. This is just outside one of the windows. Got some ducks. Oh, I love this place. It's just so peaceful. Love it. So I'm just going to walk along this bit here quickly and then I'm getting out of breath. So along here is the canal. Just show you this quickly. Let's just zoom in. That's the canal. So it's nearly an hour later now and I'm still walking. I thought I got lost, but I've not, because I've just seen more dog walkers. So keep going to the end. I think I've nearly done the walk. Just take a good hour, something like that. But nearly done. There's loads of ways that you can go, but I don't risk that because I don't know where I'm going down there. There's someone over there with some dogs. Keep going. That's part of the golf course, I think, over there. So guys, 15 minutes later and we are still walking. Still walking. Not gonna lie, sometimes it gets a bit scary when you're here on your own, but I don't think anything would happen. Never say never, but I don't think anything would happen. So yeah, I think I can see the park end again now. I've made it. I'm heading back to the car now. I do need to pay on the way out, that's just there. Trust me to park all the way down there. What an idiot. So I've just pulled up at the retail because I've got some time before I need to go and get Daisy. And I'm thinking of doing a little home bargains trip because I've not been there in forever. So we could go in there. And there is a Costa further down, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to go to Costa. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, little home and bargains trip. Let's grab a basket. So I've just picked up this because Daisy's been helping me plant flowers. This little sunflower race kit. So I'm back home. I've just got a quick little haul. I didn't go to Costa because I didn't have time. I wanted to dip into Asda, just get some bread, milk, and I just picked up a couple more things. So I picked from Asda this Lilo and Stitch Space Hopper, a crate of water, some tea lights, a wax melt burner. This should have been £3.50 and it was 2p. It went through at 2p. And then from Home and Bargains, I got some toilet roll, a big box of lattes. I got this Peppa Pig book and this magic painting unicorns. I'm going to put these two and the space hopper, just extra little presents for Daisy's birthday. Then I got some batteries, a load of cloths to clean the oven. This was from Asda, just, what is it? Oh my God, what is it? Pyjama set. Bloody hell. A pyjama set, and that was reduced to £6. My mind went blank then. Oh my God. Then I got from Home and Bargains, Grow Your Own sunflowers. I'll do that with Daisy and Oscar. And then, is there anything behind it? Yep. So I got this Persil Heaven scent, the booster scent, and the softener. This combo for washing clothing is amazing. If you don't know, get to know it, go buy it. It smells amazing. And while we're doing this little haul, I just want to show you these melts. So these are from Amazing Melts and More. So Ashley and UK Mum of Many, this is her little side business. I did also get some lemon scented Hoover discs as well. They smell amazing. But this is just some of Ashley's wax melt. So you've got a little teddy bear. We've got this flower. A little butterfly. I got a bar. And I got these ones as well. And these smell absolutely amazing. So there we go. Amazing Melts and More. It's on TikTok. And that is all I picked up. So nothing much really now is happening today apart from teas, sorting the kids out, that kind of stuff. I do need to do a massive clean over the weekend, so I might do a speed clean video for the next one. And yeah, that is pretty much it now for today. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.